Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you about the problem when your control panel indicators illuminate or blink all the LEDs in Dishwasher Bosch SPV. So if you're turning on your device and you see all the LEDs from the control panel illuminate and blink, that means a software update installation may be in progress. Wait for the installation to complete. This process may take about 30 minutes. If the unit is not ready, if your dishwasher is not ready to operate after 30 minutes, try to perform a factory reset. If the problem persists, try to unplug your device from the power and wait 10 minutes. If the problem still persists, try to call the service center. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, a comment, and goodbye.